Hello everybody and welcome back to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. If you can't tell today, we are visiting 79th Street. Our crew's got the slow roll approach going on. We got a fender out, a little more organized than most we see. I mean, heck, even looking forward, you can see how some of these boats are just blocking the docks. But this one's interesting here. Our girl's been holding something to her head. I think she's hurt. And Cap's been on the phone the entire time. Something's definitely up with this one. And Cap's looking back at her. Wonder what's going on here. Cap doesn't seem in a rush to get on the dock either. He's kind of just holding right this second. But he's not getting a whole lot of help from the jet boat that's in front of him that's kind of gone back and forth to both docks. And I hope she's okay, to be honest. It's always, I hate seeing things like this down at the dock and you never know what happened. See if we can figure it out as we go. Our crew's coming in. They're going to try and get on 3. And there's definitely concern being showed on the dock. Once again, something's wrong there. She's holding her head for a reason. As we get shot blocked here. Oh wow, the lady on the docks put gloves on, so something's going on over there for sure. And Cap is still on the phone. I gotta imagine he's on the phone with emergency services. And as usual, there's always somebody excited to see the camera down here at 79th. Our crew's going to get stuck waiting for a little bit as most of these docks are full. And she's asking why nobody's pulling forward, which probably would help out. But again, they've got to be able to get their trailers in the water and still get the boat on the trailer.
Did you see that girl? Her whole face is full of blood.
No. What happened?
Out in the back of the boat.
She what?
Yeah, full of blood.
Wow.
You gotta get that so your boy Bronco's guru can you know.
Right.
Huh?
You know what happened?
The guy doesn't even know what happened. The driver of the boat, so who knows?
So we wind up talking to this lady a little more, at least our camera guy does, and obviously she's injured. Now, I'm not going to show anything that's got anything to do with any of the injuries or anything like that, guys, so don't worry about that part. But emergency services has just shown up, but in talking to the people that were there on the boat, they said that the captain didn't even really know what happened. So he just knew that she had become injured in the head and was bringing her back to the ramp, and they were calling emergency services. And as we can see, the fire department is showing up now. And our crew and the sportsman is still trying to get onto a dock. Now, the good news for the young lady is she appears to be talking to people. She appears to be moving, so I'm hoping the injury itself is not that serious. But obviously, it was serious enough for my guy to leave whatever they were doing and come straight to a dock and call emergency services and have them meet him here. So our crew's going to step on the boat and take a look at her. But this has kind of put everything to a halt here at the dock. As you can tell, our sportsmen, These guys have been sitting patiently here for about 10 to 15 minutes now, waiting to get onto a dock, but everything's kind of come to a halt with this incident occurring. So more good news so far is that I don't see any stretcher. Looks like they're just pulling bandages out, which means that I'm assuming it's just going to be a first aid situation where possibly she's not even going to have to go to the hospital or anything, which would be nice. And is this Yamaha going to try and sneak in here on the Sportsman? Interesting scene for sure down here at 79th. So definitely receiving some treatment of some sort. And the Yamaha's graciously backed off for the Sportsman. I think the wife said something to him like, hey guys, we've been waiting. So our Sportsman's finally coming in. They're going to go after their dock. He's got the boat hook out. Cap's backing off though. Kind of interested for this crew to get this dock because I think we can get more of the story from them if they do wind up getting this dock. So this young lady volunteers to come over. Cap's got it in reverse. He's got to get back to neutral though. Give it a little shot of forward. There we go. And wifey jumps out, feet on the ready. And they'll get it put up. But I'm curious now if wifey's going to try and find out exactly what happened over here.
Bumped up and hit her in the face.
The anchor did.
So apparently the anchor somehow bounced up and hit her in the head, gashing her head open, but fortunately she was okay. They bandaged her up and the crew actually got back on the boat and they just left and went back out on the water. But you never know what you're going to see down here at the boat ramp. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.